Welcome to my channel Cartoon TV. प्यारे बच्चों, we will learn in this video about days of the week in English. So let's start. Sunday, Sunday. Sunday. Monday, Monday. Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Thursday. Friday, Friday. Friday. And last one is Saturday, Saturday. Saturday. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel Cartoon TV.